friends. Rhonda, you've got to stop. Okay. Hi, my name's Rhonda, and I don't know how to start videos. Hey, you remember the other day? Not for sure if I kept that part in. Actually, I didn't. So, anywho, the other day I was filming a video, and I dropped part of my makeup. As you can see, I sit on a fluffy white rug, and I dropped this stuff on it. Do you know what took it out? It was like a foundation type of product. Anyways, I used some micellar water, and it pulled it right out. Like, I'm shookity shocked. But anyways, hey, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and today we are unboxing our OFRA mystery box. Now, y'all know I love some good mystery boxes. Now, a little information about the OFRA boxes. They are going to be available November 24th, and they are gonna have a retail value of $35, but honestly, it's gonna be less than that if you use a coupon code of anybody that you want. I personally have one that'll save you 20%. It's just code HOTMESS. Saves you 20% over there. And if you're over there getting the mystery box and you want to pick up my lip duo or my palette, which I have on today, thank you. And these are going to have a retail value of at least $176 in here. So that is very exciting. I also want to give a huge shout out and thank you, not sponsored, but they did surprise me, Bloom Effects, with the new petal polish. You all know my love of Bloom Effects products. I fell in love with them when they were in our BoxyCharm box, good over a year ago. And I just wanted to unbox it because I saw when this released and I so wanted to pick it up, and they ended up sending it to me, and I'm just like, Kim, thank you. So look at that. First of all, aesthetically pleasing and beautiful. And then you get a little scoopity scoop. Yeah. So, nice thing when it comes to Bloom Effects products, their skincare, their body care, everything. It is like natural. It's great for sensitive skin, and it's actually the whole premises of why they started the skincare line. So it's natural, like literal tulips, and it's just, it's beautiful. So anyways, if you're like your girl and you have thyroid issues and you tend to suffer with dry skin, especially even worse in the wintertime, consider Bloom Effects. It's pretty amazing. So thank you to Bloom Effects for sending this over for me to try out. You all know I rave nonstop about the black tulip one. So anywho, let's jump into our OFRA Cosmetics. This is what it's gonna look like on the inside. It just has a little thank you card, and then also it's got the Tinseltown Sparkle Topper card in here, which I love these. Today is honestly the first day since they released, now that I'm thinking about it, that I actually don't have that on. And the only reason I don't have it on is because I did a live over on TikTok, and I was trying out the Item Beauty palette that was in the BoxyCharm box for November. It was in my paid for box, and it's actually really pretty. So anywho, let's go ahead and jump in. Ooh. Okay, so who knew that they actually have brushes at OFRA? I know, I'm embarrassing. I didn't realize that they had that. So, yeah, we've got a little perfect brush in here. That's actually a nice brush, and I really like, oh, don't fall over. And I really like this brush because that's gonna be really nice to get into my crease with, because I don't have a lot of real estate on my eyeballs. Am I in focus? It's okay, I struggle too. Gemini ADHD, so apparently so is my camera. All right, next in here we have the Makeup Fixer, and this is a light refreshing mist that keeps your makeup in place all day long. I don't know if you guys have ever tried their makeup mists, but I actually really like them. They're good. The one that I use a lot from OFRA is the Rodeo Dry one, where you shake it up and has sparkles in there. I love that. All right, next in here we have the B5 serum. I want to say that this came in one of their specialty bags a while back, and this is like a hyaluronic acid, I do believe. I've used it and I really like it. It says whether it's 100 degrees or 30 degrees, give dry skin the moisture it deserves. I need this so bad. One thing, a tip that I learned is if you and I don't know how real this is because I saw it on TikTok, okay? But if you dampen your hands and then apply it, apparently it's supposed to hydrate even more. But another thing that I will tell you all is, if you have really dry hair, be very careful using hyaluronic acid because sometimes they can make it a little bit drier. But it's still a really good product. So this is insane. The next item in here is a 3-piece set. You're getting all of this for under $35 because code HOTMESS or your favorite person's code. And we just got 3 lippies. This is awesome. You got Aspen, Sedona, and Portland in here. I love the nudes shades. Oh my gosh. Okay. Obviously I like them. I have my own. So look at these. I really like the center shade out of all of them. I really like the cooler tone nudie shades. This is so nice. I can't believe you're getting 3. Like a whole flipping set in one. I mean, that's like more than the price of the box. Okay, OFRA. Woo, look what we got next. We've got a highlight in here. You all know. I've got the, was it Rodeo? Yeah, it's the Rodeo Drive because it was in, I've got the midi palette that was in the OFRA Cosmetics, or no, it was in the BoxyCharm box for November. That's what I have on. I kind of went ham sandwich because I didn't have the lights on when I was doing my makeup. So I was doing like natural lighting, but my husband walked in and he's like, honey, it's kind of dark in here. I was like, well, it was bright when I sat down. But this Kentucky weather is just so wonky. It's just so crazy. So, ooh, this is X's and Glows highlighter. Okay, I already own this. So I'm gonna put this particular one in a future giveaway. And actually I'll put this in a future giveaway too because I actually have this one as well. But this is a beautiful highlight. Let me show you all. I love their highlighters when you get multiple shades in here because you're getting, like, in this particular one, 4 shades for the price of 1. So like in my palette that I curated with OFRA Cosmetics, so that was the whole reason why I chose the highlighter that I did, because I love the fact that you could swirl everything together and apply it, or you could use a smaller brush and go into each individual shade and apply it that way. Whether you do, you know, put it on your cheeks, you can put it on your bate, you can do your eyes. Y'all, you can even put these and then dab them on your lips as well. Like the Tinseltown, I love to take the Iced, which is the pink shade. I love putting that on my lips, putting my truffle gloss on top of it. It is so gorgeous. Sorry, I had coffee. Pardon me, I have the coffee burps. This is like the least professional channel you're ever gonna find. So that is everything in this OFRA Cosmetics mystery box, and I like it. I like this a lot, y'all. Let me know what mystery boxes you guys are excited for, which ones you'd recommend. Maybe if your girl has a little extra moolah, maybe I'll pick one up, one that you guys recommend. I don't know. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I definitely appreciate it. If y'all enjoyed this video and want to stick around, I would really love for y'all to join the family. Huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I definitely appreciate you all more than you know. I also have another channel, HOTMESS MOMMA Vlogs, where I do some plus size curvy girl fashion hauls over there. And if you want to join the fam bam, definitely make sure to check out my other channel. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram at HotmessMomma4, and I just went live on actually Instagram and TikTok today. I did hair crimping, which y'all can't even see. There it is. Hair crimping on Instagram, and then I jumped over to TikTok because I was just kind of like, I've been in a funkity funk ever since like I didn't get good sleep, and I think I'm like getting PMS too. Not to bring you all down, so sorry. So I was kind of in a funk and I just wanted to chat, and my husband was busy with work and my kids were at school. So I went live and was talking to y'all. Anyways, friends, I hope you all have a safe and healthy Thanksgiving, because in my head I'm gonna get this video up to you all Thanksgiving Eve. And if you do any Black Friday shopping and there's some deals, leave me a comment down below some of the deals that I need to check out. I would greatly appreciate it. So anyways, friends, there's gonna be some videos popping up at the end of the video, and if y'all want to keep on watching, I got over 1,000 videos for y'all. Your girl started back in 2017, so there's lots of content to watch. And if you get bored, there's like 184 videos over on my other channel. So, all right, I'm jumping off for now. I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Okay, kisses from Kentucky. Bye.
Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?